Hey, service pros! Ever find yourself drowning in manual invoicing? Spending hours on tasks that feel endlessly repetitive? Introducing Service Pro 911, the game changer for all service professionals across the USA and Canada. Start from the dashboard and navigate to the Invoices section. Within the Invoices section, you'll see a list of options. Click on Recurring Invoices. To create a new recurring invoice, click on the Create New button. Select the customer for whom you wish to create the recurring invoice. Choose the Add Item option to add the specific item or service to the invoice. Now, you need to set the end date for your recurring invoice, specifying when the recurrence should stop. To complete the process, click on the Create Invoice button, and your recurring invoice will be generated. Whatever your service, be it landscaping, consulting, repair, and beyond, our app empowers you to reclaim your time. Forget hours of manual billing, set up recurring invoices in minutes, ensuring prompt payments without the usual hassle. Don't let manual tasks steal your valuable moments. Embrace the future of invoicing with Service Pro 911. Join the revolution and experience the joy of more free time. Dive in and start your free trial today.